How to create faceless AI videos for your channel. Hey guys, if you want to create YouTube videos without showing your face, in this video I'll show you how you can make faceless AI videos using simple tools. It could be perfect for faceless channels, tutorials, or narration-based contents. First thing you need to do is pick an AI video creation tools like Pictory, Synthesia, Runway, or InVideo. So I'll just open up my web browser, tap on the first link here to search for Pictory, and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here. Now once you go to pictory.ai, you need to open your chosen AI video tool and select faceless video type. Click on get started for free. Now just do a quick sign up for your account. I'll just continue with my Google account. Now in order to continue, you need to turn on the desktop side. As you can see here, you need to use a desktop to log into app.pictory.ai. So I'll just tap on the three dots at the top right and turn on desktop site. Once you turn on desktop site, you should be able to log into your account without any problem. Now from here, you need to select an option to create a video. You could do AI video editor, audio to video, and images to video as well. So what I can do is just go ahead and select an animated scene or stock clips or even AI avatars. You can paste your script or narration text and choose a voice from the AI voice options. So I'll just tap on AI audio to video option or images to video. So you can do this and you can upload your images. So here I have selected my images. I can just tap on done. And once the files have been uploaded, tap on upload. And then from here you can click on generate video. Tap on it and your video generation will begin. It will show you the estimated length of your video. It will compile all of your images and create a video for you. Now you can even add your narrations and different scripts. Then you could also select visual elements like stock footage, images, or animation to match your script as well. You can find your scene 1, scene 2, and all of these scenes over here. Finally, you can preview your video, make certain tweaks, and export it in HD for YouTube. So go ahead and tap on preview video. It will show you all of the videos, and now you could just go ahead and tap on download at the top, export it, and you can upload it on YouTube. That's how you can easily make faceless AI videos for your channel on YouTube. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.